Okay. Welcome all for this match number 5 today, and this is our quest to get the IQL quizzing team amongst you audiences. And already we are starting to build up this team. And today we have 3 players, as many as 3 players debuting from all of you audiences. So thanks for joining in big numbers every day, every week. And आज बहुत मजा आने वाला है इस मैच में. So today is a very important day, as you know all. आज एक sporting extravaganza है आज, बहुत सारे matches हैं sports में. And you can see from my dress, I am also geared up with all sporting things to happen. So a lot of sports question today. And this game also is just like a sport. So बिल्कुल चिपक के बैठिए, कहीं जाइएगा मत. और जहाँ भी आप हैं अपना लैपटॉप, टैब, जो भी आपके पास है उस पर साथ में बैठे रहिए आधे घंटे तक. एंड यू गोइंग टू हैव अ ग्रेट फन. और अगर आपकी बहुत आज किस्मत अच्छी है, अगर आप बहुत अच्छा खेलेंगे आज, तो आप में से 2 लोग IQL की टीम में, हमारी प्राइज IQL की टीम में शामिल होंगे. ओके, सो विदाउट मच अड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग आज की टीम, starting with Shafaqat Nabi. Shafaqat Nabi is our only foreign player. Shafaqat is a brand and marketing professional, and he joins from Qatar. Welcome, Shafaq. You just wave, yeah. Okay. Then we have Nishchal Srivastav. Nishchal Srivastav is again a very good quizzer. Nishchal Srivastav joins from Delhi. He's a supply chain manager in EPC company, and he's a very good consistent quizzer. He has been playing IQL very well. And welcome, Nishchal. Joining with Nishchal is making a debut today is Saveri Nayak. Saveri Nayak works as a quality analyst and auditor in one of the world's largest IT company. Welcome, Saveri. You can wave, Saveri. Okay, and then we have Sunil Benz, who is joining from Kanpur. Sunil is Director Commercial in a joint venture company of India's leading gas and oil marketing company. Sunil, besides quizzing, loves driving long distances, which is his passion. Welcome, Sunil, today. Devasmit Panja, our young debutant, youngest player to earn a cap today. Winner of match number 3. He joins from Haldia, West Bengal, and he is an electrical engineer working in a leading oil marketing company. Welcome, Devasmit. So a great packed up team, and not to miss, flexing out muscles are Chiranjeev Singh and Somesh from Dugout. Chiranjeev is a zonal head of an FMCG company, and Somesh is a business development manager in, again, an Indian oil marketing company. So welcome all. What a great power-packed teams, a lot of professionals, almost all of them professionals, many of them very senior and few of them young. So don't get worried, the youngsters. All of you start, as they say in cricket, from score 0. Okay, welcome you all, and not to miss out my partner Pulkit, who will be handling everything which comes in front of you. Welcome, Pulkit, for the show. So Pulkit, you can spotlight yourself if you want. So Pulkit is a chartered accountant by profession. He will also be keeping his scores for today's match as always. And now the time comes to introduce our quiz master of the day, Mr. Deepak Taneja. Mr. Deepak Taneja has been with us for all these matches, and welcome, Deepak. The world knows you, so no need to introduce. Over to you, Deepak.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It feels good actually, Anurag, to de-stress yourself on a weekend when it has been a totally stressed out week. And this particular IQL evenings, they are a big de-stressor, I would say, big unwinder.
Great. So let's get started. So Deepak, just to tell the audience, these are the winners for match number 3. Devasmit Panja, Saveri Nayak, both making a debut today in IQL match number 5. And we have Sunil Benz also joining with them. Missing out is Pankaj Yadav, who is getting his contract getting signed. You know, he's working on his papers to get his contract signed for the IQL. So Pankaj will be there next match, and he's gearing up. Okay, Deepak, over to you.
Okay, good evening, friends. I think we should start as early as possible. So that
Yeah, so
for
basically दो audience में से आप आज जीतने वाले हैं IQL टीम के लिए, and बाकी rules आपको पता लगते रहेंगे. Okay, let's get started. So debutant, you can wear your caps if you have, but Deepak ji virtually giving you caps. Devasmit, Sunil and Saveri, you make a debut in IQL 5. Okay, Deepak, let's play.
Okay. So question number 1, all the participants on the buzzer. Identify this Indian Wonder Woman. The tweet
Very hot
says,
news.
nope,
Very
not
hot
possible,
news.
couldn't have happened, must be some special effects trick. What? It was real? Okay, move over, Gal Gadot. The real Wonder Woman is here. Anybody pressing the buzzer?
Yeah, so we have buzzer closes now. So we have Debasmit Panja. Let's go to Debasmit Panja. What's his answer?
Yes, Debasmit. What are you coming up?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you're
Yeah,
audible.
very much.
Please go ahead.
Sir, this is Harleen Deol. She took an amazing catch in last ODI against England.
That's a brilliant answer to start with, Debasmit. You gain plus 10 points for that. It was an catch. If you have not seen it, I would ask everyone to see it on YouTube. It's a brilliant it took.
And you can see here Prime Minister Modi also applauding that. So Harleen Deol becomes a real rage in very few minutes, right?
Yeah.
Same you can do
Exactly.
today in IQL. The audience जो आप देख रहे हैं, आप भी आज hero बन सकते हैं. Your chance to become an hero. So moving on to our next question, which is a power play question, plus 10, minus 10 for first shot, plus 5, minus 10. Audience आपको समझ में आएगा धीरे धीरे. Audience आपकी भी बारी आ गई है, तो आप बिल्कुल चिपक के बैठिए, आपके पास क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. So first I will go to Shafakat. Shafakat, this is your question. Can you unmute yourself, Shafakat?
I am unmute only.
Yeah. So do you have an answer, or should you like an options?
I would like an option.
Okay. So audience, आपकी बारी आ चुकी है, और पहले आपको एक प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं. तो this is the first question for you, audience. आपको नीचे ऑप्शन चूज करके नीचे सबमिट बटन दबाना बहुत जरूरी है. So audience, give a try. Okay, so I can see a lot of yeses, yes. And the polling will close in 15 seconds, and it closes now. So Shafakat, you will see results like something like this. जैसे आपको यहाँ भी दिख रहे हैं, तो 63% says yes. So I want ज़्यादा जोश होना चाहिए, तो last वाला option choose करना चाहिए था सबों को. Okay. Okay, so here comes audience. Help out Shafakat. First question coming your way with 4 options. So what was the last major cyclone that hit India? Is it Phelan? Is it Taukte? Is it Yas? Or is it Amphan? Phelan, Taukte, Yas, Amphan. I'm closing the
audience. You don't have to raise your hand. You have to poll.
Right. You have to poll. That's fine. So Shafakat, want to see the results? Just say yes.
No, I won't try.
No, but I'm just showing you the result. That's fine.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these are the results, and you are not trying. So let's tell you the answer.
Just a sec. I'll go for the second one.
You're going for Takate, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Takate, let's see, is it right or wrong? And Safakat, you lose minus 10. It is Yas. Okay. So Yas is the answer for this. Anyhow, but don't worry. A lot of game still remaining. So a lot of things happening. Okay. Over to you, Deepak. Question 2.
Okay, question 2. This is only for players, not for the audience. Petrol pumps going for manual display of daily fuel prices. Why? There are a few petrol pumps which are going for manual display.
Okay, so Sunil, Somesh, and Shaf. Now the closes, we close for the players. So Sunil, what is your answer?
Triple digit.
And what's that?
Just explain this.
Actually, it's 99 now. So you have to make it 100. So that is not. It's 100. So triple digits.
Who knows us better than an oil guy? And the dispenser shown in the question was also from BPCL.
Okay,
plus 10 to you, Ben Saab.
Okay, yeah. Don't mark out any companies. So okay. So in the quiz, so don't mention any name of the companies.
No, it is HPCL.
Yeah. So don't mention any companies. You can mute yourself now, Sunil. We won't mention any company names. We'll try to be very, very, very neutral. Okay. So next question coming up to Nishchal. Nishchal, can we see you on screen unmuted? And just say yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. So here's the question. Who is the
Audience,
chief
please
minister?
poll.
Who is the chief minister of Uttarakhand? So Sunil, you can lower your hand. No need to raise your hand.
I want to see the results.
Okay. Pulkit, can you lower the hands? Everyone's hands. Sunil, your hand is up. So just lower. Okay.
Anurag, just remind the audience after every
हाँ
question.
ठीक है ऑडियंस को बोलना दो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं दैट्स फाइन ओके सो हियर इज द पोल फॉर यू एंड दिस पोल इज फॉर ऑडियंस आपकी बारी आ गई है और ये रहे आपके 4 ऑप्शंस हु इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तराखंड इज इट पुष्कर धामी इज इट तीरथ रावत इज इट त्रिवेंद्र रावत और इज इट रमेश पोखरियाल पुष्कर धामी तीरथ रावत त्रिवेंद्र रावत रमेश पोखरियाल who is the chief minister of Uttarakhand as we speak today. Okay, polling ends and here is the result for you, Nishchal.
Yeah, I'll go with audience Pushkar Dhami.
So you'll go with audience Pushkar Dhami and how confident you are or
Yes.
let's see. Pushkar Dhami is right. So Nishchal gets +5. Great, congrats Nishchal and
Thank you.
over to you, Deepak.
Okay, this is for all the players. Explain the context which prompted Fevicol to bring this ad. You have to give me the name of the person and the controversy both.
Okay, so Shafakat, Devasmith, and Sunil, we close the pounds or you close the this and let's go to Shafakat.
This is Cristiano Ronaldo that regarding that Aqua controversy. He removed the Coca-Cola bottle from the table.
Brilliant.
Devashmit, Shafkat, you are really brilliant. You gave one more reason for that, Aqua. So
Yeah.
that's a great answer, I think. But we cannot give you 15 points for that. We have to give you 10 points. What's your
Great.
Anurag?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, great one. So now the power play coming back and our player of the evening is Saveri Naik. Saveri Naik, if you can come on camera and say yes, you're there.
Yeah, hi, I'm there.
Great, Saveri, all the best. So you know the rules. So here comes the question for you. Leaf of which tree plant is the national symbol of Canada? Saveri, what's your answer? Do you want to go with it?
Yes.
You want to answer? Okay. You want to
Yes.
answer right now? Okay. What's the answer?
Maple leaf.
Wow, what answer? But let's see what audience says. So maple leaf, you are saying. I said wow, but my wow was because you gave for the first time, first participant gave the answer. I'm not saying whether it's right or wrong. Okay. So audience, आपकी बारी आ चुकी है. Leaf of which tree plant is the national symbol of Canada? Is it maple, as Saveri said? Is it lily? Is it fig or is it rose? And everyone going for maple. Saveri, you have a huge fan following, it seems. Ending the polling, you want to see the results, Saveri? So this will make you very happy. This will make you very happy. And maple it is. Great. So Saveri gets the +10 pointer. And you are the first one, Saveri. Being a woman, it makes more happy as well. More than, it's make extra happiness, right? You're taking all the risks. Okay, Deepak, over to you.
Okay. Ready, all the participants? On your buzzers. Just identify the logo.
Okay, in no time, we have Shafakat, Saveri, and Debasmith. The polling closes, the voting closes, or whatever, raising hands. And Shafakat, what is your answer?
Looks like Gitanjali.
Gitanjali, okay. -10 to Shafakat. Going to Shafakat, you can mute yourself. Going to Saveri. Saveri, what's your answer?
Patanjali.
Brilliant. Deepak ji.
Yeah, definitely. +10 to Saveri.
So how did you make out? How did you make out
Actually.
Saveri? You could see the, I'll just go back to the question. You could see the Baba Ramdev doing yoga.
Anurag is very generous, actually. Anurag is very generous while making questions.
Okay, great. Okay, so Saveri looks to be on a roll today. And power play question. This one is for Sunil. Sunil, if you can come on camera and say yes. Sunil, we are waiting for you.
Yeah, I'm here. I have already said yes.
Okay, I couldn't hear you. Now you are in the camera. Okay. So, Sunil, here is your question. Who is the president of Pakistan? You want to go? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Sunil, I'm polling, so you lose the chance of direct answer. And I'm polling. And let's see, audience, आपकी बारी आ चुकी है फिर से. आपको बताना है, बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन था, पता नहीं सुनील ने क्यों नहीं आंसर दिया. Okay. Who is the president of Pakistan? Is it Muhammad Asif? Is it Javed Miandad? Is it Arif Alvi? Or is it Imran Khan? President of Pakistan, Imran Khan, Arif Alvi, Javed Miandad, Muhammad Asif. And we are ending the polling. Sunil, you want to see the results?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Sunil, these are the results for you.
I'll go with the
21,
audience.
60.
I'll go with the audience.
Yeah, you have to spell out what is it. आप बताइए क्या बोलना चाहते हैं. नाम बताइए नाम.
Arif Alvi.
Arif Alvi. इमरान खान नहीं है. Audience का देखते हैं right है कि नहीं. And audience is correct. That is Arif Alvi. So that was a slightly googly question, and Sunil rightly took a chance. Didn't took a chance and waited for the audience one. So great, Sunil. +5 you get. Arif Alvi is the president, and Imran Khan is the prime minister. Deepak ji, aapki bari.
Okay, question 5 for all the players. Get ready. I hope every hand is noted. Yeah. So this is a double point question. Connect and claim to fame.
Okay, so dugout, we have Chiranjeev going for it, but we'll just wait for 3, 2, 1, and that's it. So Chiranjeev, unmute yourself, and what is your answer?
Sir, both are married.
Okay, both are married, so that doesn't give any fame. I think you are also married. I'm also married, right? So what is the fame? And if you can you name any one of them?
I think the name of the
Chiranjeev, can you be a bit louder?
हाँ.
Voice is very low.
हाँ, जोर से बोलिए. Yeah. हाँ, बोलिए.
Yeah, I think Murray, the name of the lady is Murray, the second name.
Okay, can you come on camera, Chiranjeev? Or is it not possible for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. अब बोलिए. हाँ. Murray and
not getting the name of the male
no.
player.
What is their claim to fame then? Okay, anyhow, I won't give you a negative, but audience, आपकी बारी आ गई. Audience, we have Joydeep Roy. So let's go to Joydeep Roy first. Shafakat, you raised later on, so I won't give it to you. Let's go to Joydeep Roy. Pulkit. Joydeep, your answer.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me,
Joydeep,
Anurag?
good to see you again, Joydeep.
Hey, hi. So this is Samantha Mare and Sharan. You know, they're married to each other. First of all, both are tennis players, and yes, I can say that they just played in Wimbledon. So, but then I didn't know 30 years, but they played in Wimbledon together.
So, Deepak, what to do? Joydeep becomes our IQL player for the next match.
As you wish. You are the boss.
Yeah, boss, he gave the right answer. Yeah. So Joydeep is a very senior professional working from Mumbai. So Joydeep, take out your time and book your time 8 o'clock.
Sure. Let me know. Let me know the date. As soon as possible.
Sunday.
I'll block it.
Yeah,
I try as much as I can.
It is every Sunday. It is every Sunday,
okay.
Joydeep. So
Done,
next Sunday,
done. Yeah.
you are in. Okay, great.
Okay.
So one player we have already found out today, ladies and gentlemen. और आप जो quickly answers कर रहे हैं, जो सबसे तेज answers दे रहा है, he's winning the prize. So that is how the game happens. Okay, so doing very good with time, Deepak, and we have the last power play now coming, and this is for Debasmith Panja. Debasmith, our youngest player, can you come on camera and say yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, Debasmith. So here's a question. Which was the last trade created in India, Debasmith? You want to go with it, or you want to take audience poll? Plus,
Sir, I want to go. Sir, I want to go.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Go.
Sir, it's
Yeah, go ahead. बोलिए.
Telangana.
Okay. Let's audience, आपकी बारी आ गई है. Audience, आपसे पूछते हैं whether Devasmith is right or wrong. So audience, which was the last state created in India? Options are Jharkhand, Ladakh, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. Devasmith कह रहे हैं तेलंगाना और जरूरी नहीं है कि वो right हो. So if you want to qualify, use your own brains. So Ladakh, Devasmith, what do you think of Ladakh? I don't know. Okay, so I'll just show you the results, Devasmith, for your benefit. So 83% said Telangana. So how can so many people be wrong? Telangana is the right answer. Devasmith, you hit a +10 along with Saveri. So great, congrats.
Thank you, sir.
And you can mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have come to a half time, and half time से पहले मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि last time थोड़ा सा one contestant was very unlucky. He dropped out when the direct question was coming. So that time, then later on, we took from our techno team, we did a match review just like Third Empire की तरह. और जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो आउट हैं, लेकिन हमने फिर से रिव्यू किया तो हमें पता लगा कि जो फर्स्ट आंसर जो पोलिंग हुआ था वो 20, 25, 57 जो ग्रीन आप सर्कल देख रहे हैं तब हुआ था, और पोलिंग से पहले हमने क्वेश्चन पूछा था और चंदन जो थे वो 59th सेकंड में ड्रॉप आउट हुए. तो so what he said, we are taking, and we are he's a very good, reputed, respected quizzer. तो हम उनको एक और चांस देंगे फाइनल्स में अगली बार. चंदन, so चंदन, you are in for the finals next match. So जो एक चीज हम बताना चाहते हैं कि हमारी टीम बिल्कुल टेक्निकली बिल्कुल सॉलिड रिसर्च करके आती है और सॉलिड बाद में प्रोग्राम के बाद भी आफ्टर रिसर्च करती है. तो चंदन, you in the Third Empire review, you are in. Okay, so welcome ladies and gentlemen for the half time performance. So जो हमारे viewers हैं जो वो थोड़ा सा enjoy कर सकते हैं. I am opening the chat. They can start introducing yourself if you think you are giving correct answers. आप बोल सकते हैं कितने राइट हैं, जस्ट चैट करिए और एंजॉय कीजिए. और एंजॉय करने के लिए हमारे साथ आ रहे हैं ऋत्विक राजन. सो कैन वी हैव ऋत्विक ऑन स्क्रीन? सो वेयर इज ऋत्विक?
Hi. Hello.
Hello ऋत्विक, we can't see you. Camera? Yeah, great.
Hi.
Hi, so ऋत्विक is a sensational singer, gifted singer, and he is going to sing unplugged today. Unplugged versions गाते हैं हमारे प्रोग्राम में, क्विज में. और जब म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम्स में आते हैं then he is very very classical and very very to the core. So ऋत्विक, just go unplugged. And how are you feeling today?
Great.
Great. So audience बहुत इंतजार कर रहे हैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस का. So can we hear from you?
It's my pleasure. Here I am. Jamia.
क्या बात। Ladies and gentlemen, that is Ritvik for you. Can we hear from him? Can we hear for him? Chat is open. A round of applause for Ritvik, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Anurag-ji.
Can we hear in the chat? You have a sensational singer in front of you. What a performance. Simply wow.
Thank
Ritvik.
you. Thank you.
So Ritvik, आपने मौसम बोलिए ऋत्विक बदल दिया.
Thank
Great.
you. With
So,
all your blessings.
so ladies and gentlemen, that was Ritvik for you halftime performance, and you can only have it in program like this. Ritvik, we are so fortunate to have you. So there's a program coming, Madan Mohan special, which will be on this coming Saturday. So आप इसमें जरूर join कीजिए. Ritvik will be performing with another upcoming singer, Arpita, and join this program. It's a charity fundraiser for Ritvik, and whoever wants to contribute can contribute as well. So it's a crowdsourcing program, Ritvik. We look forward for this program. Are you excited to join, Ritvik?
Certainly.
Great. Okay, great. So back to the match. Thanks, Ritvik. Stay back. You have to give the prizes for today's winner.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, but stay back. आपको prize भी देना है. You are the chief guest. So just stay back and enjoy the quiz, okay?
Sure.
Okay, so that's Madan Mohan's program. Hope you have written the Zoom ID. And great. Getting back to the field now. So For getting back to the field, we have to turn off the chat. Let me do that job. So now the chat is closed, and back to you, Deepak. Let me take this question, Deepak. Seventh
Sure.
question, थोड़ा सा tricky है. So scores. Can we have the scores, Pulkit, before this?
And I think Anurag, वो कुछ scoring भी different है ना अभी?
हाँ, I'll tell. So Deepak, over to you. You want to tell the scores?
Yeah. So Chiranjeev and Somesh yet to score, and Shafkat is on -10. That unfortunate Gitanjali-Patanjali fiasco. And Nischal is on +5. Sunil on second position with +15, and leading at the moment are Saveri and Debasmith with 20 points. So I
Great.
think it
So
happened because we have three more questions and much
yeah,
board. So and even Shafkat can go on to win.
right. So great. So seems like the debutants are doing great today, Debasmith and Saveri. So you got the scores, and now the last three questions. बहुत ध्यान से खेलिएगा. +15, -10, and audience, be prepared. The question can come to you. So the sixes can come to you in your lap. So you just कोशिश कीजिए कि stands में catch कीजिएगा. Okay. So here comes the question, Deepak. Let me take this question.
Yeah.
So it's a very unique connect. You have to tell what is the connect. It has nothing to do with highest run scoring or other scoring records, which both of them have. Okay, audience में भी कोई नहीं जा रहा. Audience, you can start raising your hand if you know the unique connect. AD Prasad has raised, and I think everybody playing safe, Saveri, Debasmith. So we are closing for the players, Pankaj Yadav, and who will be playing next IQL, and AD Prasad. They are the 2 ones. So let's go to AD first. AD, your chance. He's a very regular program watcher and really good. Yes, AD, what is your answer?
Hello,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes, AD, tell us.
Longest playing ODI cricketers.
Okay, sorry, AD Prasad, that's not the answer we are looking for. Good answer, but that's not the real connect. Okay, Pankaj, let's go to Pankaj Yadav. Pankaj, आपकी बारी आ गई है ऑडियंस में भी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pankaj.
Longest सबसे ज्यादा दिनों तक मैच खेलने के लिए.
वो उन्होंने बोल दिया ऑलरेडी. So
that's what AD said.
Okay, Sachin Chaurasia. Sachin, last time आप बहुत frantically हाथ हिला रहे थे और बोल नहीं पा रहे थे. आज आपकी चांस आ गई है. Sachin, what is your answer?
सर सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ, बोलिए बिल्कुल सुन रहे हैं.
दोनों ने डेब्यूट एट द सेम एज में किया था.
सेम एज का मतलब क्या हुआ? सेम साल?
नो सेम साल नहीं, मतलब सपोज सचिन ने 16 साल की उम्र में डेब्यूट किया था, इन्होंने भी उसी एज में डेब्यूट किया था.
नहीं, एज में क्या, डेज भी सेम थे?
ईयर एंड डेज ऑलमोस्ट सेम थे.
ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, बिल्कुल सेम थे. 16 years 205 days old.
Brilliant answer.
Brilliant answer, Sachin. You can mute yourself, and you also are the winner for the IQL. So Sachin joins, Joydeep joins, and we can take more, so don't worry. और आप जो जल्दी आंसर आपने दिए, अगर वो फास्टेस्ट आंसर्स हैं आपके, तो उसमें भी आ सकते हैं. दीपक, आपके लिए.
Yeah, okay. Penultimate question for the day. All the players get ready for the buzzer. Yeah. Identify both A and B. Super current affairs, as Anurag says.
और बहुत ही यूनिक दिन है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए भी और वुमेन्स के लिए भी.
You have to give me both the answers to get the point.
Okay, so we have Shafakat, Somesh, and closes. We close the pounds, or we close this. And उसके बाद अमिताभ और केशव राव हैं ऑडियंस में से, पर पहले शफकत से सुनते हैं.
Shafkat, come on.
A is Richard Branson.
Yeah.
Okay.
And B is that Indian girl, Brinsal of Srinsal, something like that. That is the Indian origin girl.
And what is the connect? What is the occasion?
They are going for that this thing, Virgin Galactic.
Mm-hmm.
They are taking the flight tonight.
Okay, so you just want to say the name again for B.
B, that Indian origin girl. She's the second Indian origin girl after that Kalpana Chawla.
And you said some name, right? What was the name?
Srinbal or Brinsal.
Okay.
Srinbal, I think.
Okay.
Brinsal, something. So
like Deepak ji will give him the points, but let's hear from audience. Okay. So let's go to Amitabh Bhattacharya. Amitabh Bhattacharya, tell us who B is, if you know.
She's Shisha Bandla.
Shrisha Bandla is great, and yeah, so
They're
Shafakat
going-
was okay. He said Bandla something, and then he was right. So great, Amitabh Bhattacharya. Can we hear from you? Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Noida.
Okay.
UP.
Okay, great. So Amitabh, keep trying. You will get a chance next time. So
Thanks a lot.
Shafakat, you're right. We'll give you plus 15. That's fine. Okay. So last question coming, Deepakji.
Yeah.
And before the question, can we have the scores? This is Shrisha Bandla as mentioned. And yeah, we were slightly generous, but answer was good. Yeah. Okay. Pulkit, you want to show the scores before the final question, or you can just speak out if you want.
Yeah, so I just share the screen.
Okay, great. So that's Pulkit for you, ladies and gentlemen. So quick of scoring and handling everything. So
It's become so close. Yeah, anybody can win.
So Shafakat
A
was
multiple point tie also.
So Shafakat was on minus 20 earlier, kya?
Minus 10. Minus 10. He was on minus 10.
Acha, minus 10. Right.
He was
Okay,
on plus
great.
5.
So
Nishal is on plus 5.
Saveri Debasmith, if you tie yourself, then we'll do a tiebreaker. So let's.
We can have a 3-corner tie also.
Yeah, and Sunil
gets the last one.
And Sunil,
But if Sunil Benz gets the last one, then he will be a clear-cut winner.
Yeah. Okay. Great. So good match.
Unless Chiranjeev and Somesh chip in and spoil their party.
Right.
Okay.
And hope audience आप सबको मजा आ रहा होगा.
The thriller of a match.
Thanks for joining.
Right, you said in the beginning, it was thriller. It is a thriller.
और थ्रिलर का फाइनल क्वेश्चन और कौन बेहतर हो सकता है दीपक के अलावा पूछने के लिए. तो दीपक, ये क्वेश्चन.
So you want me to become Chetan Sharma, and so that Javed hits me for a 6.
Okay, so Deepak and everybody, here comes the question. Final question. All the best, Sunil ji and Saveri and Debasmith. One of you will be a winner today.
Who was the Indian to be honored in 1990 with Nishane-e-Pakistan?
Okay. Okay, let's hear from Sunil. Sunil, Shafakat and Nishal. Sunil, what's your answer? Quickly. Sunil.
Dilip Kumar ji.
Dilip Kumar will give you minus 10, Sunil. I told you this is a very difficult question. It's a tricky question. Shafakat, let's hear from you. Shafakat, is your answer also Dilip Kumar?
No, Morarji Desai.
Morarji Desai. Deepak, what do you say?
Well, that's the right answer, in fact.
Wow, what a match.
Right answer.
What a match. What a comeback from
match.
Shafakat.
Three-corner tie.
तो शफकत आप सच में शारजा की तरह खेल रहे हैं. शारजा की तरह आपने लास्ट में 6 मारा.
I got a little confused. Initially I thought I knew both of them had Nishane-e-Pakistan.
No. Dilip Kumar had Nishane-Imtiaz. That's the second highest.
Okay, yeah, right.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can we just have a silence of 30 seconds for Dilip Kumar? Okay, thank you everybody. So let's see the scores. And I think there's a tiebreaker. So
yeah,
what a tiebreaker it is. Three players at 20. Today is a historic day, Deepak, in all the sporting arena. So how could IQL have been left behind? So IQL में भी आज tiebreaker है और tiebreaker को break करने के लिए दीपक क्या करना चाहिए? एक क्वेश्चन दिखाए ना?
बिल्कुल, क्वेश्चन ऑन द बजर.
Okay, so let me, all three of you put your hands on the buzzer, and
this is plus 10 minus 10, no?
Yeah, this is plus 10 minus 10, and the question will come to you the moment I show the screen.
So this is only for the 3 participants, mind you.
Only 3 participants.
Please stay off.
Audience,
yeah.
So the moment I share the screen, the question will come to you. Okay. So you just keep your buzzer ready, Debasmith, Saveri, and Shafakat from Oman. Here it comes. Which was India's first amusement park? And Shafakat in a flash going, Shafakat, Saveri then, and let's hear from Shafakat. Shafakat, what's your answer?
Appughar.
Deepak, have you been there?
Well, I wish I would have been there, but I could never go there.
Oh.
From NCR, yeah, I never been there. I crossed it many a times while traveling or while driving, but unfortunately,
Okay.
I could never go there. Yeah.
So Shafakat seems to have gone there. Shafakat.
That's called a comeback, Shafkat. That's called a comeback. That's
I
called
have
a
not
comeback.
gone to. Thank you so much. I have not
That's
gone.
called a comeback, Shafkat.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
He started
can
with
we...
-10 and he never lost hope. Literally, he hit the last ball for a second.
I got two answers wrong, and so that is the reason got into that minus.
Okay, so congrats, Shafakat. Congrats, all of you. All of you played brilliantly. So let's have the final score and see in a flash. Pulkit coming up with the scores, and दोस्तों chat open हो चुकी है, तो if you want to congrats, if you want to say hi, you can do everything. We have final 2-3 minutes. So may I invite now Ritvik. Ritvik, can you come on screen and give the award to Shafakat?
Congratulations, Shafak ji.
Thank you, Ritvik. If I have the pleasure, and I would like to gift my awards to Ritvik. He has been doing a brilliant
Thank you
job.
so much once again.
That is all his.
Last time also.
Thank you so much. It's really great. And
me.
it will be my honor.
So honored we are, Shafakat, by your gesture. So 1,100 rupees goes to Ritvik as a prize. So as a gesture of coming today, great. So we have some chat coming up with problems with quite a few players. So we'll see. Nothing appeared on computer screen during polling. Is it the case for everybody? Can we hear from others? I don't think. Devendra ji, हो सकता है आपकी कुछ problem हो, but we'll look into it. So can few of you, you also got to see, right? Shafakat, you were able to see the poll. Deepak ji, आपको दिख रहा था ना? Polls.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe some problem with few of you. We'll look into it. We'll look into it. Okay. So great. Congrats, Shafakat. Congrats all the players. Most of you did great, and we'll see you all next time. Final word from Deepak.
Thank you, Anurag. Really, it was a hair-raising final, I would say. I mean, right from the word go, it was a thriller all the way. And the expected winners, I thought it was going on a single way, but 2 or 3 participants, they were going neck to neck. And I thought there'll be a winner amongst them. But Shafkat proved me wrong. And he really made a comeback, which is really, I think it is beyond compare. Lovely comeback, Shafkat. I really appreciate that.
Like last time I said, I wanted to play like Dhoni. So that is what
right.
But Shafakat, आपका naming होने already start हो गया. आप really sensational बन चुके हैं. Somebody I saw said Shafa IQL. So you are the IQL champion already. Okay, congrats, Shafakat. You joined the league. You joined the league of 5th player being in the IPL qualifiers. And दोस्तों, आप में से बहुत सारे लोग जो join कर रहे हैं, वो chance उनको मिलेगा. Thanks for joining. Thanks Devasmith, especially thanks Saveri. आप दोनों audience से win होके आए हैं, and you get a chance to play as many matches. So you're very much. So that is the beauty of this game, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody can play as many matches as they want and can become a winner. Okay, thanks. So आप लोग जो भी हमारे मैचेस को देखना चाहते हैं, जो भी हमारे मैचेस को खेलना चाहते हैं, you are more than welcome, and I'll just show you the screen where you will get the details. So you can write to me also, but we'll reach out to you. So please give your emails as well. So wherever you are from. Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining today. Live online every Sunday. And this is my email, and that's my WhatsApp number. So see you next time. Okay. Thank you all.
Bye-bye.